Behind me is Vernal Falls, off the Mist Trail in Yosemite National Park, just off the Drum Muir Trail. This is an unbelievable waterfall. Check this out.
My big outdoor life, earn your day. Let's go!
So we made it to the top of Vernal Falls. 1,700 feet of elevation gain. Woo, it was something. And there is the very top of the waterfall. Let's go! Hey folks, earn your day. Well, that's it for this one. Another waterfall, another adventure. Thanks for joining me. If you want more moments like this, subscribe. There's a whole series of these waiting for you. Until the next waterfall, get out there and find your adventure.